everyone, it's the Ramen Rater coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today we have something fantastic from Russia. Yep, these were sent to me by the kind folks over at the Halal Food blog, a blog over in Singapore. And they went on a special visit to Uzbekistan. Check out stuff over there, and they sent me some noodles that they found there. This is Big Bun. So I'm guessing it means big good. I don't know. But this is their spice mix range, and this is their piquant flavor. There's another one that's hot and spicy, so I guess we'll see. So this one is a steeping variety. 350 mils of hot water sitting there, or boiling water rather. It boiled. I just took it off the heat. The heat noodle block, and powder seasoning go in for, get this, 5 minutes. And get to stir, and then after that happens, you put in the liquid stuff. So give them a little flip, let them hang, and well, best I got. So what's going on? It's my Tuesday. A lot of snow here still. And if we're lucky, we're going to be able to get out of the house today. That sounds good. I'm so freaking bored. Not that there isn't a lot of stuff to do and a lot of work to do here, but yeah. Got up this morning. I spent yesterday morning editing video. And so I did 2 chocolate breaks. And then yesterday in the afternoon I did 2 reviews. But I went and I took all the shots that I usually take in the morning and do up the post. I did that this morning. I took the shots. I did all the editing and stuff this morning for those 2 reviews, and I got 2 reviews ready for right now. So that's like I had to get like 4 reviews ready basically. There's a lot of work on that, but I got it all done. But I did something else too. But one thing I did yesterday morning as well was got the banana flavor Ukrainian ramen video up on Facebook. So if you go onto Facebook a lot, go to the Ramen Rater Facebook page. That's facebook.com/the Ramen Rater, and have a look-see there, and you will, if you look around at the videos, you'll hopefully see that pretty prominently. Yeah. And we're halfway through. Looks like noodles to me. And I told Miles, because he doesn't have school today because of the snow, that do a spicy noodle mukbang with them. So we'll see how that works. I know exactly which one I want to do. You might note also that the spicy noodle mukbangs that I've done some that are just violently spicy. Quite a few, actually. And I've done ones that are just like spicy flavor things, which it's like, if you like watching people eat spicy food, you gotta have stuff that's not like, everything can't be Carolina Reaper unless you're wanting to watch some other channel. That stuff just beats the crap out of me. It's so freaking, it's like, it transcends spiciness. It's more like, you eat that and you get like this weird kind of like body high, and it puts you through the ringer. It makes me feel like, I'm fine. I'm a wet washcloth. And somebody goes, "Ugh," and I'm like, ugh. Yeah, that's brutal. But yeah, this one's actually should be a little spicy. It's piquant, right? I'm thinking though piquant in this aspect might be more like tangy. Like Marie's piquant tartar sauce. That was the first introduction I had to the word piquant. We always had a jar of Marie's piquant tartar sauce at home. We always had a lot of interesting stuff in the fridge. We had that. My mom always had pica sauce, capers. Always a bottle of capers in the fridge. My dad liked filet of sole. Stunk up the house. Oh my god. In fact, we used to live, 2 apartments ago. When we first moved in together, there was a lady down the hall that would make filet of sole. Oh my god. It was an enclosed hallway. So everything, everywhere stunk. It was just as bad as when the guy who took out his cat box once every week. For some reason, when my mom would make sole, though, didn't smell that bad. When that lady did it, oh my god. And here's the liquid. Not much to see there. Give this a stir. Yeah, those noodles are happy. Yeah, forgive me, I am kind of beat today. And what's funny too, I've been sipping on one of those Bang energy drinks that has like tons of caffeine, and I'm just like not feeling it. Oh, but that could be because I took a Benadryl before that. I don't know. I know some people can like eat lots of Benadryl and it doesn't do anything to them. It's like I take one and I'm like, yeah. I guess there's a reason for me not being completely awake today, but I guess maybe if I drink more of that magical, crazy pina colada Bang drink, I probably should get like going pretty well. Stir and give it a good old taste. So yeah, this stuff's from Russia. And in the post for this one, I mentioned how I'd really like to try more. I'd like to do a Meet the Manufacturer with a Russian company. I'm totally cool with that. I mean, Russia doesn't have a great thing going on right now because of politics and all that here in the US, but everybody lives somewhere, and I don't know. I don't know. I'd love to do like a whole tour of Russian instant noodles. You got me. I don't know what that's really like supposed to be, but I'll say it's not bad. You can get a better look at it. I even forgot to do the dishes last night. Way to go, me. So I have only one pot to use at the moment. I guess I could wash one of the other ones, right? But let's give this another taste. The noodles are broad. They're kind of crumbly. Uh-oh. I know that sound. Miles is unhappy. His Legoing is not going as planned. Uh-oh, hey now. Ugh. There we go. Man. I guess today's just one of those days. You know? It feels like one of those days. It's Tuesday. It already feels like it's been a long week. Right, Miles? He's like, meh. And we'll finish things off with some crispy garlic. Why not? Oh, well. Well, there you have it. Here's some, Russian instant noodles from Big Bun. There you go. They're not bad. I've never seen them here in the States or easily gotten, but yeah. Alright, well hey, this has been Hans the Ramen Rater wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one. Bye.